The next problem we're going to talk about is problem number 2. Enter the value of n that makes the equation 4 to the second times 4 to the n equals 4 to the 8 true, and equals, and you've got to type in the answer there. So when you have a problem like this, you need to make sure that you put a value here so that if this would be the problem, this should come out as your answer. And whenever we're multiplying two powers with the same base, our shortcut was to take these exponents and add them to get the exponent in the answer, and you have to keep the base. So 2 plus what would be 8? You can do 8 is equal to 2 to find out the missing value, and this should be a 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So in that space, you would type in a 6. Problem number 3 says a spaceship travels at 9 to the 3rd miles per hour and traveled for 9 to the 18th hours. Select the answer that represents how many miles the spaceship traveled. This does not include that hint word, the how many times, which means division. In this one specifically, you need to make sure that you pay attention to the problem to know what to do with it. Let me give you an example problem. So let's say you're driving a car at 10 miles per hour, which is very slow. And this means that for every hour that you're driving, you've driven 10 miles in 1 hour. That's what that speed means. Let's say that you've been driving for 3 hours. So 10 miles per hour, so every hour that you're driving, you have covered 10 miles. And you're driving for 3 hours. So in 1 hour, that's 10 miles. The second hour, that's 10 more. The third hour, that's 10 more. So all together, if they're asking how many miles have we driven, we have 30. So this is the basic understanding of it. If you want a shortcut, you take the speed, you multiply the time, and you get the distance, 30 miles. So that's what you have to do for this problem. You have the speed, multiply with the time, and you get your distance. For number 4, small town USA has a population of 2 times 10 to the 4th, big town population of 2 times 10 to the 7th. How many times larger? Here's your hint that you're going to divide. And this is the order: big town divided by small town. So you would evaluate that number, divide it by whatever that is, and then you'll get your answer. Problem number 5 is very similar. How many times larger than this one is this one? So this is the larger one. They're asking you how many times larger is this one than that one. So you take that, evaluate it, divide it by that.